As women, we face this very often. We have so many responsibilities that in that flow of attending to those, we forget who we are. We forget to pursue our hobbies, our talents, what we love to do, the things we would wish to do that we could do in our lives. But just time goes by and we forget all of this on the way. My name is Shraddha Agarwal. I am a woman empowerment coach and I help ambitious, growth minded, and success oriented women to achieve their fullest potential and to get the respect they truly deserve. In this video today, I'm going to share with you something that will take you out of your comfort zone. Something that is going to help you to achieve your potentials and something that is going to help you to make your dreams come true at whatever age and at whatever stage you are in your life today. Let us talk about what happens if we are not pursuing what we love to do and if we are unable to do what we wish to do. What happens? Think about it. So many things, right? We get strained relationships. We are just managing house and things around us, but we are not happy about it. We are unable to give time to our own self to the extent that we even forget to dress up beautifully at times. We get into the zone where we stop liking people because of the relationship that has gone bad, or too much of work that has come. We keep on worrying about what's happening in our houses, in our with our servants, with our staff, everywhere. We're just keeping on that, and it impacts our life. Don't you think so? It impacts us in the way that we feel very drained out, low of energy, and we also feel that we are very feeling guilty about that we are not doing something for ourselves. We are unhappy. We start being rough to people. We start getting into the zone where we are into frustration, anger, and also then all of this accumulates and we become very low on our own confidence and we start losing our self-esteem also. So, my dear women and my friends, here are 5 things that you can do today itself that will help you to fix your problems. Begin at some stage. There is always a beginning to do the things that we want to do. So, firstly, I would want you all to decide what you want. Many of us are just moving in the rut. We want things, but we don't know what do we want in our life. We keep on saying, I want to see myself successful. I want to be happy. I want to be contented. So, what is it that you want to do in your life? What is it? There are many times you don't get what you want because you've not decided that what is it you want. So, I just want to do a small exercise, which would be like, list 30 things that you truly love to have or want about. It could be materialistic, it could be something that just gives you happiness, or something as small as people should like me, love me, appreciate me, or I want to watch, I want a holiday, whatever it just is. Secondly, start believing in yourself. When we are surrounded by so many people and they just tell us about our good or bad points, we start believing in that more rather than believing in ourselves. So focus on what is truly your potential and your capabilities and start believing in that today. For that, give 30 minutes of every day to yourself just to do things that you like to do for yourself. Third, always remember the success that you have in the past. We always tend to remember what went wrong, where did I fail, what did I not do good. But what about the things that we've done very well in our lives? Remember those, because that is something that gives you happiness and confidence that you can do it. And at this point of time, when you're feeling a little low, that is what we want the most. So also, just remember success is big or small, and make a list of it and be happy to read about it. Fourth, I want you to take a step further and do every day 3 things that you love to do and which will take you towards your next step in achieving your success. So for example, if you want to start up your own business, so just list out 3 things every day that you would do for it. Maybe you want to do a research, make some phone calls, attend some meetings, do something online, read some books, whatever is needed to do that, do that. And last but not the least, always be connected with people who are like minded, people who motivate you, who push you, encourage you, believe in you. They are going to guide you. Find that group of people, and you will make a conscious effort of doing that, and also avoid the toxic people in your life. So, which action from these five resonates with you? Tell me. Which is the one that you can commit to today? Do you need any help? If at all you need any help, please just reply to this video and we can take a call with you and I can guide you further on. Have a nice day. Remember, my name is Shraddha Agarwal and I'm a woman empowerment coach.